This is day 2 of trying to get into that. I swear to saw flip off. Anyway, we're doing it. So, oh my god, I wish I saw that. I swear I saw a flip off. I just did. Probably bug. Anyway, let's do this. So, last time we went all the way down to the M16. Today we're going M16 to the RPG. Not to the from a grenade. RPG. Well, change that go together, we'll use together. But this is our stuff for today. I got a game because I'm doing that. It's not my controller. It's literally the game because everything works fine on the controller. So, or use the grenade correctly. I'm going to. I know you can move the vending machine. I'm knocking it over. I guess it's the first idea of mine. Nope. Okay, that doesn't work. I have to get on top said vending machine in order to use this grenade. Because I want to get it right on. Oh, actually, I don't need to. Final hole. I missed. No! No, no. Okay. Should probably try that grenade idea again. Oh my god! It's not my controllers either. It's literally the game. Because if it was my controllers, I would know. Because I play lots of Joy-Con games. And it's never my Joy-Cons. And this bad Joy-Con just wouldn't just start one day. Final hole. There we go. That's what should start. Like I said, stay tuned. Extremely intact. What was after grenade? Lighter and after grenade is rocket lighter, which are that sounds something together. It's just together. Well, I need to do a test rocket first. What the? Do I have to let go when it starts? I spawned 2. This rocket right for a second when I spawned is disqualified. I got 2 rockets too with it. Forgot a lighter. Oh my god. It's the game. It's only when I'm crouching too. So what I have to do to pick up? Crouch. Okay, so I need to test the rocket first. That's pretty hard to concentrate fire with, but I can figure it out. The other one was in my pocket the whole time. You're standing. Oh, because I died. Okay, well. I'm supposed to hit the fail because you cannot aim that thing. Last but not least, something we tested during my first episode of this game, the RPG. Okay. Fail. Do you have any other ideas at all? Let me know. I will test every idea you guys give me. I say any idea, I mean any idea. I'll test any idea you guys give me for this game. Test anything. But I'm not using the scripts till later. I'm still trying to figure them out myself. So, if you guys have any questions about this game, I'm pretty like into the game. So, if you guys have any questions, I'll give you the answer, obviously. If you guys have any questions about this game, I'll give you guys an answer. You guys can just ask the creator of the game, which is on TikTok. If you guys just have any ideas at all, let me know. See you guys for day 3.